Hi guys, I'm Snehal. I'm going to make a very famous Dalgona coffee with you guys. First it got famous for its recipe and now it's getting famous for its roast. Get it? Coffee joke, getting roast? Never mind. But I'm not kidding, this coffee tastes amazing. Actually the recipe looks very simple. You just add some coffee, sugar, water, mix it, then add some ice, milk, mixed coffee and bam! Well, no. I mean, it's not wrong. You will end up with some normal coffee, but not Dalgona coffee. So now let's take it slow. First, ingredients. You will need coffee. Make sure you are taking instant coffee and not brewed coffee. Then white sugar, water, milk, and ice. That is if you want iced coffee. I like iced coffee, but you can use hot milk as well. You do you. No need to stress on that. Now first add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Then add 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Now pro tip here is to use big bowl for whipping. And I am not that pro who said this. So you can totally trust this tip. So for mixing, I'm using this milk frother. You can use a normal whisk, which looks like this, or an electric hand mixer. Luckily, I have this cute milk frother, so it's going to be less work from me. I need to whisk this coffee for more than 10 minutes. Of course, I'm going to fast forward this part. So meanwhile, I'm just going to talk. So I don't know why we use instant coffee and not brewed coffee. First I thought I will do some research on it and tell you guys. But no, instead I will tell you why this coffee is called Dalgona coffee. So word Dalgona comes from Korean street food snack. It's toffee like candy and its batter looks just like whipped coffee. That is why it's known as Dalgona coffee. And to get this coffee foam, they say you need to whisk at least 400 times. I think that is why this coffee got very famous now. We do have a lot of time. And it's one way to kill some time. And you get to see new memes on this challenge as well. So another way to kill time. Okay, now we have a star of our show ready. You can whisk more to make it thicker if you want. Now take a glass, add some ice cubes. I will add some more. And pour half glass of milk. That's enough, I guess. Now slowly add coffee foam on it. And make sure it's transparent glass and not a metal or plastic glass, because you will need to take good pictures of it. Also, you can add more sugar if you want your coffee to be sweet. This coffee is perfect for me. That's it. You have your own fancy Dalgona coffee. Enjoy!